everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paletteful Packs box for September 2020. This month we have a little pamphlet that lets us know exactly what's inside. And on the back of that, there are some tips and techniques that give us a video link of what to do. There's also some prompts. I never follow the prompts. And there's also a nice little thank you card with a doggo on it. Yay! The dog theme continues because we also got a sticker that has a dog holding a paintbrush on it with a little Paletteful Packs logo. I got 2 of these. I'm sure I was only supposed to get 1. Oops, a daisy. Now to get in the actual art supplies we got this month. The first set is some Daler Rowney Aquafine Watercolor ink, and we have 4 little bottles here. Daler Rowney Aquafine Watercolor inks are highly pigmented, pigment-based, are water-soluble ink range with a high degree of light fastness and intermixability. It can be used directly out of the dropper or diluted to achieve subtle tones. Because the inks are formulated with genuine fine art pigments, colors will remain bright and vivid over time compared to dye-based inks, which will quickly fade. Includes cadmium red hue, lemon yellow, ultramarine blue dark, and ultramarine pink, and they are normally $8.20 each. I have one of these already in the red, and I'm going to be using the one I already have opened for the swatches here. The yellow and the red were both very opaque. The 2 ultramarine colors are very not, they're fairly translucent. Next we have a brush to apply the inks with. It is a silver brush, Crystal Bright number 4. This brush can be used for watercolor, acrylics, gouache, inks, and all water media. Crystal trademark brushes hold a generous amount of watercolor that releases evenly and allows the brush to glide smoothly over paper. This brush is manufactured with Silver Brush's exclusive durable brown tip gold filaments that are set in nickel-plated double crimped brass ferrules and fitted into beautifully balanced short matte teal handles. The retail price for this brush is normally $4.20. It seemed to apply the ink alright, nothing too special, nothing horrible. They sent us a few different kinds of paper to try out these inks on. We have some Legion paper, Aqua Mini paper pads, and cold press and hot press. This paper features 100% cotton fibers, is acid-free, neutral pH, and lignin-free. The paper delivers great results whether working wet, wet on dry, blending, lifting, or masking. The mini pad format is ideal for trying out surfaces individually to experiment or create miniature works of art. The retail price for this is normally $1.99. I've used both of these papers before, and I do like both of them. Texturally they're different, one's rougher, one's smoother, but they both work amazingly for water-based media. And next we have some Yupo paper. I've been wanting to try this for a while, but I've never gotten around to it, so it'll be nice to see how this works, and I'll probably do my project on this one. This is some Legion paper, Yupo translucent mini paper pad. This translucent synthetic paper made of 100% polypropylene offers a unique alternative to traditional art papers. Waterproof and stain resistant, it is exceptionally strong, durable, and will not buckle or tear. As a watercolor paper, it has the advantage of being non-absorbent, so paint colors lie on top of its surface producing... Sorry, they have surface and producing as one word on here, so it threw me off for a second. Let me continue. Brilliant, vibrant effects. Colors retain their true clarity and brilliance. Best of all, it allows you to wipe off unwanted sections of your painting and start again with fresh surface, and the retail price for this is normally $1.99. I did swatches on all 3 of the different papers, and here you can see how some of the colors look a little bit different based on what they're on. They also gave us a nice little plastic palette in order to mix our own colors with what they gave us. It is a round 10 well paint tray. Suitable for all water-based media, the sturdy round paint tray has a smooth, easy-to-clean surface and 10 deep paint wells, and this is normally 99 cents. And with that, that's everything we got in this box. I will be doing a project later this week. I think these watercolor inks came just in time for Inktober. They'll be nice to be able to pull in for some of those projects as well. And with that, this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you want to let me know about any of the items in this month's box, if you've used them, let me know all of that information in the comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Paletteful Packs unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!